Today, let's cover a full top-down analysis with bias and market structure. We will cover everything from weekly, daily, hourly, and minute-based charts. We will use the best momentum scalping strategy with the best trading view indicator. If you're ready, we are starting now. We had a fantastic setup with Sui today. This was a masterclass level setup to watch, observe, and trade. I'm sure many of you got this lovely trade. Let's do a full top-down analysis as usual from 1 week to 1 minute. We will cover everything. The moment I opened the charts, I noticed a couple of things in the weekly. We had this great large momentum imbalance, which indicated to me buyers love this coin and try to push it hard as much as possible. But the main question was this: where was this coin heading? I did not clearly see any imbalance. What I have noticed is that this perfect equal highs above. This was the closest and the most concerning target to hit nowadays. From the daily, there were not many things to discuss. Price swept the liquidity and changed the structure. As you can see, buyers keep pushing this coin up. I only had one question in my mind: how can I long this coin? Since I got my bias, I had to check my momentum layout. You can already see the ongoing rally with intense momentum. I have noticed this triple imbalance top here with the 30-minute, 1 and 2 hours time frames. The moment I saw this, I knew that this was the area that I will seek entry. Let's drop to the 15 minutes and discuss even more. As you can see, this price falling into this 15-minute imbalance. In my head, I already knew that this price was filling up here. However, I had no idea when this price would go up. This is one of the reasons you stop out a lot, because you jump every single imbalance that you see. How do you know this price will turn here right this moment? Maybe it will keep falling forever. Who knows? The answer is in the 1 minute time frame. It is crazy, right? We analyzed the chart from 1 week to 1 minute. We have analyzed 1 week, 1 day, 4 hours, 2 hours, 1 hour, 30 minutes, 15 minutes, and now 1 minute. This is just madness. Thanks to our best indicator and masterclass layout system, we can do all this with a single chart at once. Okay, what is happening in the 1 minute time frame? Let's see. Price now taps the 1 minute imbalance. Can you see how many different time frame imbalances are tapped here? Price is now supercharged here. All we need is the right signs to enter a trade. We are patient. The key of trading is being patient. Notice how the market structure changes here. It breaks and makes a small pullback into the small imbalance area, and it keeps rallying. This is your 2-hour safe setup. Enough big stop loss to cushion you against a deeper pullback, and sweet enough 2-hour profit. Now you may ask this question: will we take out these weekly equal highs? I have no idea. It can take days or even weeks to hit this high time frame target. I have no idea. Leave a runner and grab a tea or coffee. All I know is here I had a long bias, a bullish bias, and taking small quick in and out scalps. I get in and out. I do not predict the future. I do not know the future. This coin may crash like 100% right now. I have no idea. I get in and I get out. Okay friends, this was a nice trading recap. Take care and see you next time.